Good afternoon. Welcome to the planning briefing for Thursday, April 4th. So our key points: unsettled weather through Monday. There'll be minor impacts at pass level, mainly in the overnight period through the early morning, and potential for some wet snow into valleys each morning through Sunday. Let's look at that threat matrix, and I'll go in depth into all this stuff on later slides. But moderate for snow in north central Idaho, mainly in the morning Friday, and then low for snow at pass level everywhere. Thunderstorms, mainly I-90 and south, and then southwest Montana and Lemhi County is going to have winds very similar to today, up to about 30-40 miles per hour. Low humidities, just be careful burning around grassy areas. Saturday, snow at all levels for north central Idaho, northwest Montana, and southwest Montana, and then at pass level for west central Montana and Lemhi County. And then lower again, continuation of those snow showers, precipitation's winding down, and very minimal availability of precipitation on Monday. And then a ridge sets up, but it could be what we call a dirty ridge. And there may be a system skirting the Canadian border that will bring a little bit of high elevation snow. So what's going on here? Here's our main system off of California. Actually, the low's up here. This will eventually push on shore, but it's ejected this piece of energy, and this is what's going to come through today. So let's look at this. All right, so this is from the SPC. And what they are saying is that there's a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms. That's 15%. I'm going to go as far as to say that's not likely to happen, but there could be one or two strong storms in here with some strong winds or small hail. All right, so what's causing that? Here's that low pressure system, that upper level low pressure system, and it's causing that southerly flow. This is a real good pattern for us to have thunderstorms. And you can see the focus of the precipitation for the next 24 hours is basically going to be through the Clearwater Mountains, west central Montana, through the Mission, and then over into eastern Montana. So that Friday morning, why we highlighted moderate for the canvas for north central Idaho. So this morning, if you were driving over Whitebird Hill, it was snow covered at times. We expect snow levels to stay that low. So there's a potential for a couple of inches of snow. In this graphic, you can see there's only about an inch showing for Grangeville, but I would not be surprised if there's 2, maybe 3 inches on the grass, and at times roads in town may become snow covered. So the scenario that I would say each morning is, as it's snowing, the potential will be there above 3,500, above 4,000 for some slushy snow to develop on the roads, and then as that shower ends, it will melt off. The next shower will come in, put down snow again. So that's what I expect for the next couple mornings, Friday, Saturday, and less so on Sunday, because there won't be as much precipitation. But also to watch out, look out at Lookout Pass, and certainly US 2 over Marias Pass, okay? And that's for Friday morning. Now Saturday morning, you can see those colors have gotten darker, and I'm sorry I missed this thing here, but that's irrelevant. That's just something that the cursor will do when I'm on this web page. But once again, you can see Whitebird Hill is highlighted, and US 95 going through the Camas Prairie is highlighted for an inch or a couple inches, and all the L passes. Look out, Lolo, Lost Trail, and once again US 2 to Marias Pass. This is for Saturday morning. There'll be more moisture, lower snow levels. Okay, so you might find longer periods of time where there's some snow-covered roads. Well, once again, we're talking about an inch or two throughout the entire overnight period. And if you're in Avalanche, folks, really the Bitterroot Crest and the Mission Mountains through this whole thing could get up to a foot of really wet, dense snow. All right, Sunday, much less moisture to focus on, and I think if there are any winter impacts, it's going to be in this general area: Lost Trail through southwest Montana, Homestake Pass, and McDonald Pass. All right, looking into the future, warm and dry again with a question mark, 9 through 13 April. Okay, the problem here is the models are showing various strengths of this high pressure. If the high pressure is not as strong, most of us could see those clear skies and warmer temperatures. But like I said, for Tuesday, there could be a system coming along the Canadian border that could turn this into a what we call a dirty ridge. And there could be more clouds and a few showers in the mountains. So for the burners out there that are looking for a burn period, this is potentially going to be one, but it also could have periods where there's extra clouds and some showers up there. And this is backed up by the CPC, the Climate Prediction Center. They're saying above normal temperatures in the 8 to 14 with above normal precipitation west of our area, and typically normal to below normal for precipitation. All right, well, thank you for attending our briefing. The next one will be Sunday, April 7th. Hope everyone has a great day.